Welcome! In front of me is a Xiaomi 13T Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once your content is visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You have a flash along with a pop-up like this, giving you a quick indication of what these buttons do. So scroll allows you to capture a scrollable screenshot, aka just a long version of it. So as an example, if you open up something like TikTok, you can just continuously scroll down and capture a longer and longer screenshot. And send or share otherwise, which allows you just to send this image to someone. Now after a moment, afterwards, like once you capture this one with the information, later on it's just gonna show up here and then disappear like it did after I just tapped on the display. Once it disappears, you can find the screenshot in your gallery application and it will be visible if we go back. So by default you will be in the photos, so it will show up under photos, but later on if you want to find this screenshot down the line and you have a bunch of photos and screenshots captured, easier way might be by navigating into albums, and then you want to select screenshots and screen recordings album, and here the tab for screenshots, and here you'll find only the screenshots that I have captured on this device over the time. And here is the one that I did capture just a moment ago. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.